Buongiorno, we are here in Parma, Italy to show our beautiful morning show viewers some gorgeous Italian regional food.
That's right, we are here at the Barilla factory and we are making a delicious 3-cheese tortellini with basilico sauce, sausage and eggplant.
All right, so I'm going to start off by cutting up our eggplant. So I'm going to cut them in large sort of cube sizes, slightly bigger than our tortellini, because when these cook, they're going to actually expand.
Our eggplant does absorb a fair bit of oil when it cooks, but remember, as soon as it cooks, it actually releases the oil back again. All right, give it a bit of a stir, and don't be afraid to add a little bit more olive oil if it's getting a bit dry. Remember, olive oil is good for you. And you know what? Eggplant's one of those vegetables that you have to cook all the way through. So you know that the eggplant is ready when it's really nice and soft and lightly caramelized. It's going to take probably 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay, while Bella fries that up, I'm going to slice up the onion. So we just want a little dice.
Sammy, if you can pass that bowl over.
Yep.
Just going to take this eggplant out of the pan and we're going to use the same pan to cook the rest of the sauce. So Sammy, do you want to pop the onions in? Now for our sausage. What you want to do is just slice it open down one side. It's really nice and easy to pull it straight out of the casing and pop it straight in the pan. Once it's in the pan, you want to press down with the back of a wooden spoon.
And I'll slice up the garlic while you're doing that.
Awesome. While that sausage meat's browning off, I'm going to start cooking my tortellini. So, salt goes into the boiling water. Always make sure it's well salted. And the tortellini goes straight in there. Right, I'm giving it a bit of a stir so it doesn't stick together. And lid back on so it comes straight up to the boil. What a wonderful way to celebrate all the cheeses that Italy has to offer. There's triple thread of cheeses in here, all three. We've got Grana Padano, Emmental and Ricotta. Beautiful.
Okay, Bella, while that's browning, I'm going to cut up the chilli. And I've got a really neat trick for checking how spicy the chilli is. Cut the top off and give the top a little lick.
Is your face blowing off right now?
No, it's it's got a little bit of kick. It's not too bad
Put
though.
it in, Sammy. I like a bit of kick. Now to finish this sauce, I'm going to be putting in some beautiful Barilla Basilico sauce. It's already got some basil in there and lots of Italian tomatoes. So really, really good stuff. Sammy, let's pop this in.
That smells amazing, Bella. I cannot wait to try this.
All right, ragu's looking amazing. Tortellini is cooked. So all we need to do is grab a sieve, pull it straight out of the water and into that beautiful sauce. All right, so we're going to cook this for its final minute in the sauce. And that way all the flavour of the sauce is going to absorb into the pasta.
And the eggplant too?
Yep, let's toss the eggplant in as well.
And the tortellini actually holds onto that beautiful thick sauce as well. Yum.
Gorgeous. All right, this is ready to go, Sammy. Let's serve up. How quick and easy is this dish? All right, beautiful.
Yum.
3-cheese tortellini with our sausage ragu and eggplant. And of course, we're going to finish it off with some more delicious local ingredients. Most important, some Parmigiano Reggiano, which is from Parma.
Yum, that looks so good. And some fresh basil leaves.
And you can never forget a final drizzle of really good extra virgin olive oil.
Yum, beautiful.
I'll tell you what, that is phenomenally good.
You guys are going to love this.
Buon appetito.